In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount in Volusion. This is a process that will take just around 5 minutes, and it's a great way to encourage more sales and offer better deals to your customers. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and search for Volusion. Once you've found the Volusion website, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you're new to Volusion, be sure to have your login information handy to make this process seamless. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Marketing section. From the menu options, select Coupons, Discounts. This is where you'll manage all your promotions. Once you're in the Coupons or Discounts section, look for the Add button. Clicking on this will enable you to create a new discount or coupon. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a descriptive discount name. For instance, you might want to input something like 10% off summer sale. Pick a name that is clear and enticing, so your customers know exactly what to expect. Next, determine the type of discount you want to offer. Is it a percentage off, a fixed amount, or maybe even a buy one get one offer? You'll have to choose one that best aligns with your promotional goals. If you intend it to function as a coupon, make sure you tick the appropriate box. This will indicate that customers need to input a specific code at checkout to receive the discount. Additionally, you need to specify which categories or products this discount will apply to. This allows you to target specific items that might need a sales boost. Also, take advantage of the Advanced Info section. It provides options that can further define how your discount is utilized. In the Advanced Info, you have the opportunity to customize your promotion by ticking various options. Decide if this discount will impact tax calculations, if it should have a preset time limit, or if there are quantity requirements that must be met before it applies. Defining an order price requirement can also be a strategic way to encourage larger purchases. After ensuring all fields and configurations are appropriately set, the final step is to save your new discount. You'll see options to save and stay on this page if you wish to add more details or tweak existing settings. Or you can move on to add another discount if needed. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to adding a discount in Volusion, helping to maximize your sales potential and provide enticing offers to your customers. Thank you for watching, and happy discounting!